Ever faced an annoying daily problem and thought, there has to be a better way? Well, today we're bringing you 7 next-level gadgets that solve real-life issues in the smartest ways possible. 1. Portable USB rechargeable neck fan. In summer heat making life unbearable? Stay cool on the go. This hands-free, bladeless fan delivers powerful airflow with 3 speeds, is rechargeable, and whisper quiet. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just chilling, this is a game-changer. Best deals linked below. 2. Xiaomi E13 Bluetooth Smart Glasses. Ever wished you could answer calls without touching your phone? These AI-powered Bluetooth glasses offer crystal clear audio, noise reduction, and automatic brightness adjustment. Smart, stylish, and super convenient. Check the best price in the description. 3. Virtual Laser Keyboard Bluetooth Wireless Touch Projector. Struggling with small screens? What if you could type on any surface? This futuristic gadget projects a full-sized keyboard anywhere, making typing faster and easier. Ultra-portable, wireless, and compatible with almost any device. Link below for the lowest price. 4. 4K solar battery-powered wireless security camera. Want 24/7 security without crazy wiring or battery swaps? This 4K security camera offers motion alerts, color night vision, and runs entirely on solar power. No cables, no hassle, just reliable home security. Find it at the best price below. 5. LED glowing hat with programmable display. Want all eyes on you? Let's light it up. This app-controlled LED hat lets you customize messages, animations, and patterns. Perfect for parties, concerts, or just making a bold statement. Grab yours now at the best deal. 6. Cordless Hair Straightener Portable Brush. Blade in no time for styling? This saves the day. With fast heating tech and a powerful 10,000 mAh battery, this rechargeable straightener delivers salon-quality results anywhere. Compact, portable, and perfect for touch-ups on the go. Check out the best deal in the description. 7. Darsonval High-Frequency Facial Device. Acne, wrinkles, dull skin? Time for a skincare upgrade. This advanced electrotherapy device boosts collagen, improves circulation, and fights bacteria. Say hello to glowing, youthful skin from the comfort of your home. Get yours at the best price below. From smart wearables to home security, these gadgets are designed to level up your life. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing tech finds.